Technology has brought us a really long way, but some things just stay working beautifully no matter how long they've been around, and carpet sweepers is definitely one of those. It's a really simple idea, but very effective. It means that when you have something on the floor that you want to clean up, rather than getting the broom out and the dustpan and brush, you can simply get this out. But of course, it also works perfectly on carpets because it is called a carpet sweeper after all. It's got these lovely extra wide bristles. There's 3 of them. So they go along the top, one in the middle and one at the bottom there as well. And to empty it is super simple. You simply fold it back like so, and then you have all of the dirt that you've collected right in the middle there. It's about as easy as it gets. You've got little rubble feet there to make sure that the floor is protected. And you also have these 3 little rollers, and that's going to work those 3 brushes perfectly. Simple, easy, no cost in terms of electricity, and just gets the job done.